Hi, welcome to this tutorial. Now we are going to look into a set of numbers with a set of powers, and we will in the end organize them in a descending order. Now let's start off with, let's say, 5 cube, 4 to the power 4, 3 to the power 5, and 2 to the power 8. Now, as we have done before, now we are going to evaluate these numbers, and the way we do that is by looking at each set and looking at the base and the power. So in this case our base is 5 and our power is 3. So let's start off with the first number, 5 cube. This means there are 3 5s because of the power 3. So 5 times 5 times 5, 3 5s. Now 5 cube is 125. Next we have 4 to the power of 4, which means there are 4 4s, which is indicated by 4 as the power. So our base 4 shall be repeated 4 times. So 4 once, 4 twice, 4 3 times, and 4 4 times. Now 4 to the power of 4 gives us 256. 256. Now next we are going to look at 3 to the power of 5. What that means is the base 3 will be repeated 5 times. Alright, let's do that. 3 once, times 3, times 3, times 3. So now 3 to the power of 5 means there are 5 3s. So 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 5 3s. Now 3 to the power of 5 will give us 243. Okay, and finally 2 to the power 8 means there are 8 2s. So 2, 2, 3 2s, oops, 2, 2, 2, there are 5 2s, 6 2s, 7 2s, I keep writing the numbers, 8 2s. Now 8 2s will give us 256. Okay, now that we are done with our calculating our 4 numbers, we need to represent them in descending order. In descending order, we have our largest number is 256. So we have 2 of these, 256 there and 256 there. It doesn't matter which one we write. I'm going to just write 4 to the power 4, then 2 to the power 8, and then our larger number, or smaller number, beg your pardon, is 243, which is represented by 3 to the power 5, and finally the smallest number is 125, which is represented by 5 cube. And that's how we write the numbers in descending order. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.